deal, y'all? It's your boy Motorcity Nique, man. You know I'm tapping in. I'm about to take y'all through some of these cars and stuff. We had this nice little pull-up and park event, man, hosted by your boy and Mr. Go Crazy, man. So I'm gonna take y'all through some of these cars and I'm gonna let y'all see some of the people that's out here. Y'all see the traffic? Hey man, I gotta run this bitch back, dog. My phone overheated. Shout out to my dog. Y'all already know. Evo, man, what's going on, man? Let these niggas know what we got going on.
We at Bella. We got hella chicken, hella Don Julio. Nice whips out here. We chilling, vibing, having a good time. Pull up and park, goddamn it.
Y'all already know it. Y'all see it, man.
Pull up and park, goddamn it.
Good time, man. We having a good time.
6 o'clock, we about to turn the music on, turn this bitch out.
Y'all heard it. Mr. Go Crazy, man. I had to run it back, bro.
What's the deal? What's the deal? Oh, damn, you on another phone. This is the iPhone.
Yeah.
This the phone I like.
Yeah.
This the phone I like. So everybody that's on this phone, this is the people I like to talk to. I don't like the other people. What's the deal, my brother? You all right? Hey, we out this bitch, man. We on the motherfucking island cutting up. Me and Motorcity Nique. Y'all know what the fuck it is, man. We gonna turn this bitch up every motherfucking time, nigga. Hey, stay tuned for the car show, though. Ooh, I might be saying too much, but
Hello.
Shout out my dog, Toe T Sideways in the building.
Sideways, you 7 Mile, baby.
Y'all know
We
it.
in the
Y'all
building.
know it, man. Y'all see it, man. Look at us, man. We all out here, man. We got the condo tents out here. Shit, we all posted up.
We on our unity shit.
Yeah,
We on our unity shit,
Talk
nigga. East to West Coast.
All
We're unity.
day. Y'all see it. I'm about to take y'all through these woods, man. Let's check out these rides. Oh yeah, here we go. Man. Oh, Face, I gotta run it back, man. My phone overheated, man. Talk to him.
Overheated.
Yeah.
What up, though, man? It's old boy Big Face, man. I'm chilling with my nigga Motorcity Nique. You feel me? Next caller.
Oh
And we
yeah.
out here chilling, bro. Dropping some shit. I'm gonna be in the studio tomorrow. I'm gonna drop some shit tomorrow. You feel
Oh
me?
yeah.
Where Dirty Sprite at?
Oh yeah. That bitch right there. Hell yeah. Let them know where they can find you at. You know, man. Let them know.
Man, Instagram, hit me up, bro. My shit is at Big Face Trey. I got a fucking Facebook too. That shit Trey Cartier. You feel me?
Okay. For sure. We on it, man. Shit. Make sure y'all tap in. I'm about to take y'all through these rides. Shit. We about to check out, man. It's a good time. We out here having fun, politicking, talking shit. Y'all see it? Oh yeah.
You shouldn't do that. Don't do that. And don't go back to when you got the car and then add it up. Nigga, 3 paint jobs, 3 accessories. Just keep it 3 different songs set
I'm
up.
happy I don't play video games. I be like, man, well, I said fuck with this car.
Man.
And then look, I was looking at my Mustang like, I gotta get back to you. I gotta get back to the Charger. I started looking at the car. I'm in the garage like I do
Oh yeah, y'all see it. Shout out to my dog Tone. I'm on a whole nother platform. You know I gotta shout it out. You already know it.
My God.
Team Sideways in the building.
In the building.
Yeah, I see it.
You know,
bike life for a little bit. Hop about the whip. Get some fresh air.
Ain't nothing wrong with it. Gotta switch it up, man.
I go, man.
It's good when you got options. That's what I tell people. Shout out to the car doctor, man.
No, I'm coming to. I came to.
That's all he came to
The
do.
car doctor, Russell, man. Let them know where they can find you at. What you got coming up?
Hey, it's your boy the car doctor. You already know what it is. The end of the summer end of the summer showdown going down September 28th. You already know it's going down real major.
You know
So
it.
you better pull up.
Exactly, man. Beat us there. Don't meet us there, man. Always. I'm gonna take y'all through the rest of these cars down here, man. I ain't gonna be able to make you, but I can show y'all. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. We on the Bella Strip, man.
RG3.
Oh yeah, yeah. Shout out to my dog. We over here, man. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. We got the vets out here. They coming through, man. What's going on? My dog, you know I had to, man. You know I'm on it. Good looking. I appreciate you coming through. All right, y'all. Man, your boy is walking down the Bella Strip. Like I said, man, we out here posted up, having a good time. Trying to stay cool. Oh, yeah, shit. Definitely got my bro about to pull up. He got his shit, man. We out here having a good time, man. Enjoying ourselves, so y'all see it. Ooh, look at that motherfucker. It's like a family reunion, man. We out here having fun, having a good time. We kicking the shit, so we enjoying ourselves, man. If y'all know where we at, y'all know where we at. If you know, you know. Watch your back, watch your back.
Ah! Ran over that nigga picking so. Ran that nigga picking so over. Not yet, he's coming. All right, go.
Talk to them, Black. Let them know what they got going on, man.
What's up, man? I got boys going, man.
Yeah.
Doing this in the beef for years, man. We just not getting a little clout for it. You country boys been holding it down, man. Y'all gotta give us a little clout, man. We got the sauce too, man. We do this shit too, man. Y'all ain't the only ones to do this shit, man. Somebody in this bitch
Talk
too,
to
man. That's how
them.
we do, man.
Talk to these
Y'all need
niggas,
to come
man.
down. We gonna start coming to y'all boys though. Y'all boys doing it real good though. I can't take shit from none of you boys. Y'all boys doing it real good. Y'all was the ones that started this shit that showed us that it can be done. Now y'all see what we going. We're taking this shit to a whole nother level. We got TVs and doors and everything.
Y'all see it. Y'all see
We'll
it.
be at Rick Ross shit next year, all of it.
You
Gonna see
heard
the whole
that?
fleet there. We will be there.
Yeah.
For sure.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Always. Yeah. Shout out my nigga Brad. You know my dog out here.
Oh yeah, what's up, my guy?
Oh yeah, always. You know he catching this good footage out here. Bring it back, Bell out. Big dually, big dually. Yeah, I see. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, sir. Play something, nigga. Yeah, my nigga face. That big bottle. Damn, nigga, that big ass bottle of dog, yo. What's going on? What's going on, fellas? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Appreciate y'all. Shout out y'all for coming out. Oh yeah, damn near. Where they can find y'all at?
Eastside Boom, man. Catch me on the ground, man. Eastside Boom. Y'all niggas know me, man. I'm all over Tubi. I'm in all the goddamn movies.
Oh yeah, my nigga. Appreciate you always, always. Yeah, we out here, man. We bring the strip back alive. Y'all see it? Hell yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Let them know. Talk to them.
25 boys.
Big 75. Y'all see it? Yeah. Oh yeah, we turned up.
I got you on my show card.
Okay, hell yeah.
I keep it on me on.
Good looking, good looking. Big wagon there. Oh yeah. Y'all know it. Y'all know it.
It's very nice. You're about to see, read Jazzy Faye, break them down to a T. Smoking popcorn, fifth wheel gleaming, bouncing to the bang, gold chain swinging, bring it like I do. All brand new, bring a thousand with your nigga, we can shoot that too. On them like blues, got two stuff. Old balloon paper, nigga, money don't cry. For the club, make it hot, not to mention all the cheats and the drops. This girl, nigga, I'm scared now, nigga. Turn, ain't a good mood, you feeling right, play cool shit, fuck around and do you that tonight. If that soft, it ain't gotta be big. If that soft, it ain't gotta be big. If that soft, it ain't gotta be big.
I like a little bitch with some good Uchi. I'm a rich nigga, she a rich hoochie. She getting loud like I'm with boozy. Got a small frame with a big booty and a soft ass.
Four-star, got some nuts attached. Okay, listen, I'm about to quit rapping. I like my bitches dumb and illiterate cause they get nasty. Don't eating got me diabetes, nigga, fuck salad. My bitch cheating fed her to the animals. Carol Baskin.
Whoop a 4-way, serve a 4-piece.
Hey, look, check what we brought out. I know it's gonna
Just tell me if you want. I'll see if I can get it. Dollar. Huh? No, for real. I'm gonna show you what's going on, man. Ready? Let's go. All right, keep going. Keep going, dog. You know it's paper play with getting niggas out the way. It hurt my heart to see my baby K, man, fighting them case. Money guaranteed, you can bring it back if it unlocked. Too much talking make me nervous, niggas copping on you not. I feel like mama's playing me, but I know she love me. Or maybe it was me, cause really I don't go for nothing. I love you and I love you, I'ma treat you like my brother. Now I'm still tripping, starting to rub off on his brother. I wanna do melodic shit, they want me to rap. I know I'm on parole, know I need to strap. It's fucked up, they really want me dead. And my little niggas really come and say something. Yeah, I put them haters on your fucking head. I got niggas from my hood, and from my brother. Yeah, it's fucked up what y'all niggas say. Niggas got me fucked up like I ain't on it. Hey, I'm about to play, I didn't wanna play. I got a girl, plug, I tell her send me your chops. The back got a chop, wood is no more eyes. Niggas mad around this bitch, cuffing no thighs. I think these niggas real, why I think they all cops. I'd rather sit and jump for life before I take a shell. And nigga, you gon' take a shell before I take a L. He got caught with a pistol, he could make the bill. I hit a op, nigga, bitch, he ain't take it well. When you walk up in my pillow, more. Got 80 inches TVs on every fucking wall. I paid I really got it out from hood, that's why I fucking ball. Yeah, why these niggas mad because I came up. Fucking through my door when I came up. Gotta be prepared when the rain comes. Niggas let me hang for my pain up. Yeah, so I fell in love. Yeah, it's so I fell in love. Yeah, it's so I fell in love. How to be my brother, but they change up. When we come up in the game, you see, became a killer. He became police. You just get me out of character. My bitch tell me I'm so arrogant. But fucking nigga.
Back it up.